Hey guys, Randy with Pete's RV TV today. Today I wanted to take a couple seconds and talk about couplers. So this particular coupler here would be called the underslung coupler in the RV industry. And the reason for that is this coupler is actually welded to the bottom of the A-frame, where the other style of coupler that we commonly see is one that is welded to the top and kind of perches over the top. So this guy here, pretty easily identified. It sits a lot lower on the A-frame and is commonly known as the underslung coupler. So one of the things with the underslung coupler is it's a little susceptible to being gummed up internally. So as I was walking through our holding yard yesterday, I happened to walk by this camper and I looked over and I saw that the coupler had some rust on it. I could definitely see some contact marks where it looked like someone may have hit it with a hammer or something. And immediately when I saw that, I knew what they were experiencing because I've fixed this issue on many occasions. I think the worst one I ever was involved in is I actually had a customer drive to a campground with his coupler unlatched because he could not operate it appropriately because it was not sliding and it was not locking into place. And what we want this coupler to do is lock into place so it doesn't come off the ball as we're going down the road. So a very big safety concern for that gentleman for sure. So I was able to fix that for him. But one of the things that, as mentioned, this coupler is susceptible to is getting some gummed up, I call it. And so when it happens, is the locking mechanism is just not working appropriately because there is some dirt and debris in the glides that the spoon travels on that goes underneath the ball that actually locks it on the ball. So it's a super quick and easy fix that can be remedied at home by the end user. You do not need to bring this to a shop to have it addressed. So first thing I want to do is get the coupler all the way in the back position, and then we're just going to take a garden hose and some fresh water. We don't need anything more than that. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the garden hose and I'm going to just I'm going to put it in every area of the coupler and make sure we do a really good job cleaning it out and removing any debris that's in there. You may get your feet wet when you perform this process, so just be aware. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hand over the top to kind of guide the water, but I'm going to put it right down in this hole in front of the latch for the coupler. Now I'm just going to spray it around in there and move it and just keep moving it around. I just want to get every portion of that coupler cleaned internally. Get my feet wet as mentioned. I tell you what, where I'm at today is super hot out, so this doesn't feel that bad. So I'm going to come over here and just get a different angle at it. I'm going to force it towards the front of the coupler as I'm doing it. I'm also going to get underneath the coupler and I'm going to spray it in here. I'm going to put this coupler back. Spray it up in here and just all aspects of the coupler. And as I'm spraying it, I'm going to start using it, and it should get better every time you add more water. So one more time here. It's actually moving a lot better. Very early on, you may need to do this process a couple times just to get everything. Just keep turning the water on and get it everywhere in there and just clean everything out. And that dirt gets in the glides and it gets packed in there from the coupler being locked and going down the road, and it just doesn't like to travel very well anymore. So let's see. That's working really well now. So after cleaning it out a little bit, the coupler is moving very freely. It wasn't doing that in the beginning, and I'm actually able to lock it in with ease with one hand now, or before we can see someone was using a tool or a hammer to get this guy locked in. So a little bit of water sprayed in the right places, your underslung coupler is going to work great for you. Now you may need to do this more than once as you use the coupler. It may rear its head again, so you know how to fix it now. Thanks for watching Pete's RV TV with Randy today. I look forward to seeing you on the road. Happy camping.